How to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to fix show NSFW content option is not available on your account. So it's really simple. First of all, you need to go your profile. So I'm just going to click me, and you can see it's called a settings option right top corner on your screen, and click show NSFW content. So once you click here, then you can see here you don't meet the requirement for showing NSFW content. So what you need to do, you have to change one thing. First of all, you must be 18 plus, otherwise this option will not be on this OA. So what you need to do, tap here the pencil icon, this one on your profile, and simply tap here. So you can say 8, you have to select more, like you have to maybe to 2020 or 2023, make sure, and then simply click the confirm and again save. So once you done it, then you have to go again and then click show any saved content, and you can see it's now available. So simply tap here and it's now okay. So this way you can enable your show NSF content on your account. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.